small question for you all. Where was Jesus Christ born? Raise your hands, we'll pass over the mics.
Bethlehem.
Correct. Guys, applaud for her.
How many wise men were there?
How many wise men came over to bless Jesus Christ with gifts?
What is the significance of the star?
Is star for decoration? Then what is the meaning of star? So the star of Bethlehem is nothing but helping the wise men to follow the faith.
And what were the 3 gifts from wise men? Does anyone remember?
Okay, hints. It is used in prayers.
Bangaram Samrani Gold. Correct. Give her a round of applause.
We had a small story. Who were the characters in the story? Relations in the story, like was it mother, daughter, brother, sister? The person will be asking someone, like what is the meaning of Christmas? Who asked whom?
Father and son.
So the son will be asking his father what is the meaning of Christmas. Then what will the father say? What will he show him outside?
Candle.
We are getting answers only from girls. No boys have listened.
Department of Mathematics, Osmania University, and former chairperson of the Board of Studies in Mathematics, Osmania University, 7 PhD scholars, and published 42 research papers in functional analysis and operator theory. Sir has over 30 years of teaching and research experience, during which he has significantly contributed to academic development and student welfare. We were very privileged to have your presence over here, sir, and a very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you for joining us for today's celebration. Thank you, sir.
Christmas is a time of sharing joy, love and togetherness. And what better way to celebrate this beautiful moment than cutting a Christmas cake?
The cake reminds us of sweetness, unity, and the joy of celebrating as one family. As we gather around, let us cherish this moment of happiness and gratitude.
May I now invite Dr. Krishna